In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select the exact borders of an image in Pixlr using a quick AI selection method and an alternative manual method for plain backgrounds. This is a super useful trick if you want to remove backgrounds, isolate a person or object, or prepare an image for editing without spending ages tracing around the edges by hand. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Pixlr tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Pixlr and load the image you want to work with. Once your image is open, look at the top menu and click Select. From there, choose Select Subject. Pixlr's AI will analyze the image and automatically try to detect the main subject for you. This is usually the fastest way to get a clean selection, especially when your subject stands out clearly from the background. After you click Select Subject, give the AI a moment to work. You'll usually see the selection outline appear around the object or person in the image. Now take a close look at the border. If the selection is good, you can continue editing right away. If it needs a little adjustment, you can refine it with Pixlr's selection tools, but in many cases, the automatic result is already very close to the exact edges you need. This method is great for portraits, products, and objects with clear contrast. Now, if your object is sitting on a plain, solid-colored background, there's another simple method you can use. This is especially helpful when Select Subject doesn't give you the exact result you want. To do this, select the Wand tool. You can press W on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Once the Wand tool is selected, look at the top menu and set the tolerance to 32. The tolerance controls how similar the clicked area has to be for the selection to expand, so 32 is a good starting point for solid backgrounds. Next, make sure the Contiguous box is checked. This tells Pixlr to select only the connected area of that color, instead of grabbing similar colors all over the image. Now click on the background color you want to remove or isolate. Pixlr will select that background area based on the settings you chose. If the background is selected and your subject is not, you're almost there. To switch the selection to the subject, press Ctrl+I to invert the selection. That flips the selection from the background to the object itself, which is perfect when you want the exact borders of your subject. This alternative method is really powerful for simple images with clean, single-color backgrounds. So to recap, if you want the fastest option, go to Select and choose Select Subject so Pixlr's AI can do the work for you. And if your image has a plain background, use the Wand tool with a tolerance of 32, check Contiguous, click the background, and then invert the selection with Ctrl+I. Once you've got the exact border selected, you can copy, cut, mask, remove the background, or continue editing with confidence. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Pixlr tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.